Hello students! Today you're going to solve exercise 1.2 from real numbers. By the end of this lesson, you will understand every question clearly. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational.
The first number is 27. 27 is an integer. Every integer is a rational number. 27 is a rational number. The second number is square root of 441. Since 21 multiplied by 21 equals 441, square root of 441 equals 21. Therefore, it is rational. The decimal 30.232342345 continues without repeating. Such decimals are irrational. The decimal 7.484848 repeats forever. Repeating decimals are rational numbers. (11.21324335565 decimal). Every terminating decimal is rational. (11.21324335465 is a terminating decimal. Every terminating decimal is rational. Question 2. Give 4 examples of rational and irrational numbers. Examples of rational numbers are 5, 3 by 7, 0.25, and negative 8. Examples of irrational numbers are square root of 2, square root of 3, pi, and square root of 7. Question 3. Find one irrational number between root 5 by root 7 and root 7 by root 9. Root 7, root 9. First, convert both values approximately. Root 5 by root 7 equals 0.845. Root 7 by 3 equals 0.882. One irrational number between them is root 6 by root 8, which is approximately 0.866. And this value lies between 0.845 and 0.882. There are infinitely many irrational numbers between any two real numbers. One example is root 2 divided by 2. It is approximately 0.707. Another example is root 5 divided by 3. It is approximately 0.745. Question 5. Find the value of root 5 correct to 3 decimal points. Question 6. Find root 7 correct to 6 decimal points. 2.6452645551. The value of root 7 correct to 6 decimal 5 is 6 4 place 2 3.5 751.
At square at 10. I just add a root 10 and the Thomas. The steady number square of flowers.
Root 10 is approximately 3.162. It lies between and 3 root 5 2.23 x 6. Root 6 equals 2.4449. Both are irreal numbers between 2 and 3. Every rational number is a real number. Or rational number is a real number.
True.
Is irrational. N is not a perfect square. 2.283. True. Excellent. Now let us revise everything quickly. Remember, between any two real numbers, there are infinitely many rational and irrational numbers. Congratulations! You have successfully completed exercise 1-2. If this lesson helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to @Omghn Official. See you in the next class 9 mathematics lesson.